A closer look at that. Our CSTV crew went out to Niles, to the Nimlok company, and shot some tape so that you have an idea how these extraordinary modular displays are formed. This looks like a fairly large space for a company that has tiny little products that are supposed to be space efficient. How much room do you have out here in Niles?
We have about 30,000 square feet.
Actually, some of our products are fairly large. We have enough of our displays in a convention hall in the United States to set up about, say,
1,000 booths.
1,000 displays.
My.
I think we were talking about the last month's figures or something exciting like that.
We have a super crew, we really do. They've been working from 7 in the morning till 7 at night, 6 days a week, and they really are a super bunch of people.
How many people do you have working for you?
We've got about 50 people.
Designers, builders?
This is Tony, our designer. He's putting together a fairly large exhibit for one of our distributors in New York.
And that's Scott working the computer. And that's our order entry department now. Jackie taking a call from one of our distributors.
We can build a booth for somebody in 2 weeks. If they call us up and they send us a design, we can turn it around in 10 working days. We have a large board up on the wall where an order comes in and exactly 10 days later it goes out. If you miss a shipment in this industry, you miss the show, and you don't want to do that.
So on-time delivery is critical.
Yeah, absolutely. These are the extrusions that go around the edges of the frames, and these saws are set up at a perfect 45 degrees for the miters so that the angle of the corners never varies. For one job, we cut 6.5 miles of just this extrusion in 2 weeks, built 225 displays. So those saws run constantly. This is the hoop nylon or Velcro compatible fabric, which is cut, and this is what faces our panels. And each order uses a different color, and we have 24 different colors. So we cut the fabric to order, and this is what they're doing now. This particular process here, they're applying the glue to the faces of a rolled resin-impregnated fiberglass board, which is incredibly lightweight. We've tried using roll coaters and all other things, but doing it by hand that way, you simply get the best quality, and it's the fastest way to do it. Right here, they're applying this featherboard to the faces of the fabric before the panels are laminated.
So there are several layers in every panel.
There are basically 3 layers. There's the faces that go on each side of the panel. There is the infill, which is a honeycomb cardboard infill. And then there's the other face. Now what we're doing here is they're applying a contact tape to the edge of the panels and rolling the edges of the fabric around the featherboard.
For a really finished look.
Very finished look.
Protected. Now this is the 360-degree hinge that you, Simon, invented.
That's right. This is our showroom in which we have all of our different products. We like to set them up ourselves and take them down, so we constantly get a hands-on feel.
Now this is a Nimlok structure, combined Nimlok structure, and you can put that up, 2 people can put that whole thing up in a couple of hours from scratch. Unpack it from the cases and put it up, lights and everything.
And it doesn't need special grippers at the floor or something?
There are no tools, absolutely no tools in the whole display.